I've walked through places where the light felt far away. Where the nights were heavy and my heart could barely pray. Fell into shadows I never wanted to admit. But you whispered softly, this is not where your story ends. You're rising from the pit. When the ground gives way beneath me, still your promise holds me tight. You remind me I'm not forgotten. You are with me in the fight. I'm rising from the pit. You lift me when I fall. Though many trials hit, you deliver through them all. Like Joseph in the darkness, like Daniel in the lion's den. I'm rising from the pit, and I'm not going back again. Joseph stood in chains, but his heart stayed pure and true. Daniel prayed with courage, though the world said we forbid you. Integrity was tested. Pressure tried to break their will. But faith spoke louder, and your hand protected still. When I feel surrounded, when the fear begins to roar, you remind me of their stories, and I trust you even more. I'm rising from the pit. You lift me when I fall. Though many trials hit, you deliver through them all. Like Joseph in the darkness, like Daniel in the lion's den. I'm rising from the pit, and I'm not going back again. You didn't stop the betrayal, you didn't shut the lion's mouth before, but you walked me through the valley till my feet found strength once more. Every tear became a lesson, every test became a flame. You refined me in the fire, and I'll never be the same. I'm rising from the pit. You lift me when I fall. Though many trials hit, you deliver through them all. Like Joseph in the darkness, like Daniel in the lion's den. I'm rising from the pit, and I'm not going back again. So I stand on your promise. You uphold me by your hand. The pit was just a moment, but with you I rise again.